Welcome to Science by PK. What is a neutron star? We're going to dive deep and figure out what a neutron star is. But before we continue, make sure to like, subscribe for more amazing content. A neutron star is one of the most extreme things in space. It's what is left behind when a big star dies in a huge explosion called a supernova. But instead of becoming a black hole, the star shrinks into something super small, super dense, and super shrink. A neutron star. How small is it? Imagine taking a star bigger than our sun and crushing it down until it's only about 12 miles wide, about the size of a city. But even though it's tiny, it's incredibly heavy. Just 1 teaspoon of a neutron star would weigh around 1 billion tons. That's like trying to lift a mountain with 1 spoon. Here's how it happens. A giant star burns through its fuel, and when it runs out, gravity takes over, the star collapses inward, and if the star isn't big enough to form a black hole, the pressure turns the atoms inside into just neutrons. The result is a ball made almost entirely of neutrons packed tightly together. That's why it's called a neutron star. The surface of a neutron star is solid and super hot, millions of degrees. It has a strong magnetic field, much stronger than Earth's. In fact, some neutron stars have the strongest magnetic fields in the universe. These special ones are called the magnet stars. They can blast out powerful bursts of energy even from thousands of light years away. Some neutron stars spin very fast, hundreds of times per second. These are called pulsar because they send out beams of light or radio waves that flash like a lighthouse as they spin. Scientists on Earth can detect these flashes, and they're incredibly precise, like cosmic clocks. Even though neutron stars are small, they can still have big effects. If one got close to the Earth, don't worry, they're not. Its gravity and radiation would be deadly, but the ones we know about are all far away. The closest is hundreds of light years away from Earth, so we're safe. Neutron stars are important to science because they show us what happens when matter is pushed to the limit. They help us test the laws of physics under extreme pressure and heat conditions we can't create on Earth. Studying them helps us learn more about how stars live and die. For more information about that, check out my video about a life cycle of a star and when and what the universe is made of. In 2017, scientists even saw 2 neutron stars crash into each other. This event sent out ripples in space called gravitational waves and also made gold, platinum, and other heavy elements. So the gold in your jewelry, it may have come from a neutron star collision. Neutron stars are quiet and visible of them most of the time, but they are some of the most powerful objects in space. They remind us of how strange the universe really is, even after death. Stars can leave behind something so dense, so strong, and so full of mystery, it still shapes the galaxy around it. Thanks for watching Science by PK.